The opioid crisis continues to impact Western Massachusetts, with the Attorney General expected to address the ongoing impact it's having on local cities and towns. 22 News reporter Christina Demores joins us live in studio with the latest on the fight against this growing issue.
That's right, Ciara. The Attorney General will be in the region tomorrow to learn about how it's disproportionately impacting rural areas.
As the fight against addiction and the opioid crisis continue in the Commonwealth, Attorney General Campbell plans to visit Western Massachusetts Tuesday to hear how it's impacting rural communities. According to the CDC, rates of drug overdose deaths in rural areas are rising and have surpassed rates in urban areas. Behavioral Health Network is one of the organizations that plans to speak with the Attorney General.
What challenges face rural areas when it comes to dealing with this crisis?
I think the biggest challenge is access. There are very few clinics out in remote areas and rural areas. And transportation is also an issue.
In efforts to close this gap, BHN uses mobile methadone clinics to identify and reach the areas they deem as a methadone desert. And on the state level, Massachusetts State Senator John Velas, the chair of the Mental Health Substance Use and Recovery Committee, is urging communities to utilize a statewide opioid settlement fund to fight opioid addiction, especially in rural municipalities.
There's been a little bit slower of a rollout. To me, that's incredibly problematic because we still find ourselves in the throes of this addiction crisis. Supply right now is more contaminated, I would argue, than it's ever been in the history of this country.
A substance use disorder bill was signed into state law at the end of 2024 in efforts to reduce drug-related deaths and provide residents with support they need to recover from addiction.
If you or someone you know is struggling with substance abuse and needs help, call the 24/7 National Drug Helpline. That's 1-844-289-0879. Working for you tonight, Christina Demores, 22 News.